was good, Fred.
Hey, guess who it is?
Who it is?
Yeah, that's me. Let me turn this music down a little bit. So here goes our boots, and as you could tell, sort of got some spatter on them already. Kind of giving me a general idea. What I need to do is protect this area going around. And when I was thinking, you know, if I had some vegetable cans of peas or something, I was going to eat them, so I could use the can itself to make a shield. I work in a place with sheet metal, so I brought home some sheet metal. I figure I'll be able to cut something out with it. First thing I want to do is make a template for right around here. So I'll go ahead and do that. Next thing I'll do is try to get a rough guesstimate on the measurement. I'm going to need about 5 inches. 2.5. Now I'll cover it, so what I want to do is bend that over. And then pop rivet it, then I can get my laces through there. Okay, so here's my template I have marked out on the sheet metal. There it is, I cut her out. I had to tap and deburr the edges there. So then I broke out the roll machine and I went ahead and rolled them. I have the tang up yet. I folded the tang down that I used to catch on. Spray painted them. Both sides. Added the trim. And installed them on my boots. And they look pretty good. That should save me the hassle of having to tie my shoelaces together while I'm at work. Thanks for watching.